Everyday materials shouldn't be able to do this, yet here they are, stretched, sliced, and forged into shapes no one thought possible. You've seen mass production before, but these 10 factories go beyond speed. They bend light, carve with water, and teach robots how to taste precision. This is manufacturing pushed to its physical limits, where heat rivals volcanoes and motion rivals choreography. Stay long enough and you'll question what counts as human-made at all. Number 1. Transparent aluminum casting. A metal that looks like glass sounds like fiction, yet this one burns molten hot before turning clear. Transparent aluminum, known as aluminum oxynitride, joins ceramic hardness with metallic durability while still letting light pass cleanly through. It shrugs off bullets and scratches, yet bends brightness like a lens. Inside the factory, vacuum chambers and immense pressure fuse oxide-based ceramics into flawless sheets. Rapid cooling locks the crystal structure before cloudiness can appear, freezing order in place at the atomic level. Each run demands stability tighter than a microscope focus. What once lived in science fiction now guards aircraft cockpits and precision optics, built continuously by machines tuned to molecular choreography. Fragile glass shatters under strain, but this hybrid endures. It doesn't just resist impact, it redefines what transparent strength can mean. Number 2. Robotic sushi making assembly lines. Sushi once came only from skilled hands. Now, lines of robots shape it thousands of times per hour, forming perfect bites without crushing delicate grains. The real challenge is softness. How to press just enough, never too much. Each unit reads resistance through tiny sensors, calculating the yield of rice before sealing it into form. Conveyor belts slide nori sheets into place at precise angles, while software adjusts rhythm and speed based on humidity in the air. Every motion has the calm balance of an artisan's touch, replayed in stainless choreography under strict hygiene rules. The result feels alive in texture and uniform in shape. What once took years of practice now flows from coded timing and gentle pressure. The machine learns to handle tenderness, turning what was craft into a perfectly measured form of engineering. Number 3. Fully automated car painting robots. A flawless car finish begins where even dust is banned. Inside sealed booths, multi-axis robotic arms move with precision measured in micrometers. Air is filtered until it's cleaner than most laboratories, because one stray particle can scar a perfect coat. These machines spray using electrostatic charge, pulling every droplet toward the grounded car body. The effect is wraparound coverage, smooth, even, and nearly waste-free. Predictive algorithms have already mapped the car's curves, calculating nozzle angles before paint even leaves the tip. Layer by layer, color and clarity fuse at a molecular level, hardened through exact chemical timing. When the shell rolls out, it gleams like liquid glass. Every reflection identical, every inch consistent. This harmony of software and chemistry turns paintwork from simple coding into mechanical choreography with precision that never fades. Number 4. Jet engine blade forging with plasma arcs. To survive inside a jet engine is to live at the edge of melting. Each turbine blade spins through heat fierce enough to liquefy steel, yet it must stay solid, balanced, and flawless. Forging begins with plasma arcs hotter than any conventional fire. Under vacuum, those arcs sculpt nickel-based superalloys into shape, layering the metal so each crystal aligns along a single direction for strength. Controlled cooling freezes this order, growing one continuous crystal from base to tip. No grain boundaries, no weak spots. Every molecule locked in place to resist fatigue and creep. When finished, a single blade stands ready to face re-entry temperatures while spinning thousands of times per minute. It's the paradox made solid, something born by melting, surviving what should melt it. A harmony of heat, pressure, and atomic precision turned into flight. Number 5. Smart textile weaving with laser guidance. Fabric that knows its own pattern, where each thread moves under beams of invisible light. In these looms, fine lasers guide polymer filaments through complex paths, locking them in place with exact alignment. Thousands of microfibers travel side by side, yet sensors adjust tension each millisecond to stop tangles before they start. Every move is monitored and corrected instantly, turning a blur of threads into organized design. Conductive and shape memory fibers join standard yarns, forming textiles that react to heat, pressure, or electric current. You can find cloth that senses motion, stores charge, or shifts shade under light. All of it built not by hand, but by algorithm, light steering fiber instead of touch. The loom no longer waits for a weaver. It operates like code executing a visual program, where every pattern is pure data written in thread. Number 6. Precision chocolate sculpting machines. Chocolate melts at body temperature, yet these machines sculpt it with precision fine enough for art. Inside temperature-controlled rooms, robotic nozzles print silky layers while carving arms trim curves smooth as glass. The air stays still, humidity balanced, vibration canceled, because one tremor or degree too warm destroys the crystalline shine. Thermal cameras watch along the line, reading every surface as it cools. Tempering cycles guide cocoa butter crystals through exact phases, setting the snap and gloss of luxury bars. Once the form locks, cooling tunnels cradle each piece until it holds geometry as crisp as metalwork. Now, sweetness meets precision engineering. These systems carve ridges the width of a hair, turning fragile confection into digital sculpture. Here, robotics and chemistry blend taste, temperature, and timing into a single act of edible craftsmanship. Number 7. Giant glass bottle production lines. Molten glass pours like honey at roughly 1000 degrees Celsius, rolling from furnace to feeder. Each glowing drop, called a gob, falls in sequence into iron molds waiting below. The speed leaves no room for error. Seconds later, the glass must cool into identical bottles. Inside, compressed air shapes necks and walls from the inside out, stretching the glass into symmetry. Twin molds close, open, shift, and repeat in a rhythm that feels alive. Synchronized layer furnaces cool the bottles through a slow gradient, relaxing stress hidden in their shine. Along the conveyor, cameras scan every curve for bubbles or cracks smaller than a grain of sand. Faulty pieces vanish instantly. What remains is precision glass. Tens of thousands per hour, each indistinguishable from the last. Transparency and fragility held in balance. Chaos mastered through heat and timing. Number 8. Autonomous ship welding robots. Building a ship is like knitting steel on the scale of a city. Every joint has to hold tight under crushing pressure and shifting tides. Human welders can't always reach deep seams or work safely inside narrow ribs of the hull, but robotic crawlers can. These machines hug steel plates with magnetic grips, moving in smooth lines while mapping the surface ahead. Guided by lasers, they lay weld beads with millimeter accuracy, then scan the glow of cooling metal for flaws through thermal feedback. Sensors and algorithms communicate in real time, adjusting power and pace to guarantee watertight joints. The process continues even underwater or upside down, sparks dancing in controlled rhythm. What you see is underwater choreography, machines weaving molten seams into floating fortresses built on perfect coordination and mechanical poise. Number 9. Diamond cutting with water jets. Water shouldn't cut a diamond, but it does when driven near supersonic speed. Inside a sealed chamber, high-pressure pumps launch a jet fine as a needle mixed with microscopic abrasive grit. Each strike carves a fraction of the surface without heat or smoke. Computer mapping controls the beam, adjusting angles by microseconds to match shifts in hardness along the gem. The water and abrasive erode the lattice grain by grain, shaping facets too delicate for saws or lasers. Because there's no heat, the crystal structure stays untouched, and every fragment saved becomes usable. The process wastes almost nothing while preserving clarity and value. Here, the hardest material meets its gentlest sculptor, water performing surgery at the atomic level. In this silence, precision wins over brute force, proving that patience and invisibility can shape brilliance itself. Number 10. Bioplastic packaging creation from corn waste. From fields to factories, plastic that grows instead of being drilled. Corn husks once left to rot are now raw feedstock, refined into something that acts like petroleum plastic. It starts in fermentation tanks where plant sugars turn into lactic acid, the base molecule for the process ahead. Chains of these acids link through polymerization, forming polylactic acid, or PLA. In heated extruders, it flows into thin films that melt easily yet later biodegrade. Machines keep every variable, pressure, temperature, and timing, under tight watch inside continuous reactors built for efficiency. Each step saves energy while cutting waste, guiding molecules with mechanical precision. The result is packaging that protects like plastic but returns naturally to soil under composting. Innovation here isn't mined, it's grown from leftovers, turning forgotten stalks and husks into a clean loop between harvest and industry. Every process shown turns impossibility into habit. Factories refine chaos into repetition until the extraordinary feels routine. Whether it's shaping flame-proof alloys or teaching robots to handle rice, everything follows one motive: control through curiosity. That's the quiet power behind industrial craft. Metal, fiber, sugar, glass, and even waste all bend the same rule. They obey human imagination when engineered with precision. What looks mechanical is really creativity in motion, repeated with accuracy instead of brushstrokes. So next time you hold something simple, look closer. It began as a small miracle. That will be all for today. Subscribe to our channel.